Well, we're back finally in Italy, and this is our first sail since we got back to Porto di Pisa.
Hi.
We're just taking the day to sail out in this beautiful water, not really headed anywhere. We're going to head back to Porto di Pisa in a few hours. So it's just such a beautiful day for sailing. And as I pan around, that's Porto di Pisa there in the background. You can see it, sort of see it. And the beautiful mountains all along this coast, the Tyrrhenian Sea. Beautiful.